As long as you got y'all watching BT and on the iPod and all the foolishness, you gonna keep on with it. And I'm not doing it. Y'all. Study. Master that.
Let him hear some of his from y'all.
You got right.
They got yours. Oh, who ready? Somebody ready?
Oh, somebody ready?
Yeah, somebody ready.
Let me get.
You can do yours. The one you got.
That's my plate. The beans bread is all I need. As you just said, but they with your job, but actually you just keep on eating that steak. That chicken turkey, that man for you. That's the chance to want sex. Because here I thought it's what I want to be. I don't eat that ugly pig, but now I'm in no post thing. Because I ain't the only one. You can go and ask your own thing. It ain't just that steak and pork. The beef is also can eat cabbages, shrimp, lobster, crab. Now all y'all mad at me. But I don't care. I'm speaking to you. Carefully using my pen, even my message at you, but also at the old me. Because our generation's eating bad. Church chicken, Burger King. That's why I'm here to tell you cream of wheat and navy beans.
You wrote that. That's yours. Keep working. Is that what you want to do? That's what you want to keep working at your craft, brother. Master. Become a master of the language. Beautiful. You already did. Keep going doing it. You already did. That was tight. Praise be to God.